Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable financial information. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic that many people find themselves dealing with: how to repay an Access Bank loan. We'll also cover the consequences of not repaying the loan, the requirements to borrow from Access Bank, and the interest rates involved. So let's dive right in. Before we go into the repayment process, let's briefly discuss the steps to obtain a loan from Access Bank. Access Bank offers various loan products designed to meet different financial needs. The specific requirements may vary depending on the type of loan, but here are some common prerequisites. Adequate income. Demonstrating a stable and sufficient income source reassures the bank that you can afford the loan repayments. This can be through employment, business income, or other verifiable sources. Documentation. You will need to provide necessary documentation, such as identification, passport, driver's license, proof of address, utility bills, bank statements, and income verification documents, payslips, tax returns. Once you meet these requirements, you can proceed with the loan application process, which typically involves completing an application form, providing the necessary documents, and undergoing a loan assessment by Access Bank. Now, let's shift our focus to the main topic: how to repay an Access Bank loan. Access Bank offers various repayment methods to ensure flexibility and convenience for their customers. The most common methods include direct debit. This method allows the bank to automatically deduct the loan installment from your bank account on a specified date. It ensures timely repayment and reduces the chances of missing a payment. Standing order. With a standing order, you instruct your bank to transfer a specific amount from your account to Access Bank at regular intervals. This method requires you to set up the payment instructions in advance. Bank branch payments. You can also make loan repayments by visiting an Access Bank branch and paying in person. This option allows you to interact with bank representatives directly, who can provide assistance if needed. Online banking and mobile app. Access Bank provides online and mobile banking platforms where you can conveniently make loan repayments. These platforms allow you to transfer funds from your account to the loan account anytime, anywhere. It is essential to ensure that you repay your loan as agreed to avoid negative consequences. If you fail to repay an Access Bank loan, the following repercussions may occur. Late payment penalties. Access Bank may charge late payment fees for missed or delayed repayments. These fees can accumulate over time, making it more challenging to catch up on missed payments. Negative impact on credit score. Non-repayment or late payment of loans can negatively affect your credit score. A lower credit score makes it difficult to secure future loans and may also impact other financial activities like renting a property or obtaining insurance. Legal action. In extreme cases of non-repayment, Access Bank has the right to take legal action to recover the outstanding loan amount. This may involving debt collectors, court proceedings, and potential asset seizure to settle the debt. It is crucial to communicate with Access Bank if you're experiencing difficulties in making repayments. They may be able to provide temporary solutions or work out a revised repayment plan based on your circumstances. Hey, but what about if you have not borrowed loan before? Let's see steps to borrow and apply for loan on Access Bank. 1. Determine your loan requirements. Identify the purpose of the loan. Whether it's for personal expenses, business ventures, education, or a specific project, having a clear understanding of your needs will guide you in selecting the right loan product. 2. Research Access Bank's loan options. Visit Access Bank's website or contact their customer service to explore the various loan options available. These may include personal loans, mortgage loans, auto loans, or business loans. Each loan type has specific features, eligibility criteria, and interest rates. 3. Gather necessary documentation. Prepare the required documentation for the loan application. Common documents include proof of identity, passport, driver's license, proof of address, utility bills, bank statements, proof of income, payslips, tax returns, and any other documents specified by Access Bank for the chosen loan type. 4. Visit an Access Bank branch or apply online. You have the option to either visit an Access Bank branch in person or apply online through their website or mobile app. If you choose the in-person method, a bank representative will guide you through the application process. For online applications, follow the instructions provided on the website or app. 5. Complete the loan application. Fill out the loan application form accurately and provide the requested documentation. Be sure to double-check the form for any errors or omissions before submitting it. Accuracy and completeness will expedite the loan processing. 6. Loan assessment and approval. Once you've submitted your application, Access Bank will assess your eligibility based on factors such as your credit score, income, and existing financial obligations. This process may take a few days, during which the bank reviews your application and verifies the provided information. 7. Loan disbursement. If your loan application is approved, Access Bank will notify you and arrange for the disbursement of funds. The funds can be deposited directly into your bank account or made available through a bank draft or check, depending on your preference. Section 1. Requirements for borrowing loan from Access Bank. Before we discuss how to borrow a loan, let's first look at the requirements for borrowing a loan from Access Bank. To borrow a loan from Access Bank, you must be a Nigerian citizen or resident, have a steady source of income, and provide valid identification documents such as a national ID card, driver's license, or international passport. You will also be required to provide collateral or a guarantor, depending on the type of loan you want to borrow. The interest rate for Access Bank loans varies depending on the loan product and the borrower's creditworthiness. Section 2. Types of loans offered by Access Bank. Access Bank offers various loan products to individuals and businesses. These include personal loans, salary advance loans, mortgage loans, auto loans, and SME loans. Each loan product has its own requirements and interest rate. Personal loans are unsecured, loans that do not require collateral, while salary advance loans are short-term loans that are repaid from your salary. Mortgage loans are long-term loans that are used to purchase or renovate a property, while auto loans are used to purchase a vehicle. SME loans are designed for small and medium-sized enterprises to finance their business operations. Section 3. How to borrow loan from Access Bank. To borrow a loan from Access Bank, you can visit any of their branches or apply online through their website or mobile app. You will be required to fill out a loan application form and provide the necessary documentation. The bank will review your application and determine your credit worthiness. If your loan application is approved, the bank will disburse the loan to your account or provide you with a check. Section 4. Consequences of defaulting on Access Bank loan. Defaulting on a loan means that you have failed to repay the loan as agreed with the lender. Access Bank takes defaulting seriously and has measures in place to recover the loan. If you default on your Access Bank loan, the bank will start by sending you reminders to repay the loan. If you still fail to repay the loan, the bank may take legal action against you. This may include taking possession of your collateral, blacklisting you with the credit bureau, and reporting you to law enforcement agencies. Conclusion. In conclusion, borrowing a loan from Access Bank can be a great way to finance your personal or business needs. However, it is important to understand the requirements and interest rates for each loan product and to ensure that you have a repayment plan in place. Remember that defaulting on a loan can have severe consequences, so it is important to take loan repayments seriously. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Do subscribe to this YouTube channel and become a Dosuggest insider.
Hey there! If you're an Access Bank customer like me, I'm about to show you how to purchase airtime for yourself or a third party at no additional charges using the *901# USSD code. Let's get started. First, I'll show you how to get airtime for myself. I simply dial *901 amount hash to buy airtime for my own number. For example, if I want to buy 1000 Naira airtime, I dial *901 *1000#. Easy as pie, right? Great! Now let's try purchasing airtime for a friend or family member. Dial *901* amount *phone number hash to buy airtime for a third party. For example, if you want to buy 500 Naira airtime for the phone number 080-1234-5678, dial *901*500 *080-1234-5678 hash. And just like that, the airtime is sent to their phone. Top up your airtime from the comfort of wherever you are with the *901# USSD code.